How to add multiple videos to Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add multiple videos to Instagram story. Now in this video, I'll teach you guys two different ways how you can do this. So let's get started. The first thing is, of course, open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, head over to your story section. And now simply choose the video that you want to post. Now as you can see, I'll select this video that is of 2 minutes. So you can add multiple videos like this as well, as you can see. Now if you just tap on send, and you will need to adjust the video so that it's of a minute long. Instagram only allows a minute long video, but that's not what we want. We want this 2-minute video to go like this. So the first one here and the second one here. So now let me just go back. Now if I just select this video, and if I want to upload this as multiple videos, what I'll do here is I'll just select this for now, select the first half of the 2-minute video, tap on done, and then post it. Again, if I want to add the same video, now the second part, I'll just head over here, simply scroll down until I find the other half of the minute, tap on done, and then post it on my story. Now that way I have uploaded multiple stories but of the same video, and yeah, it's getting uploaded. That's the first way. Now the second way how you can do this is by using a third-party app where you can crop the story. Now you can just crop the story and then add the multiple videos. So for example, let me show you. If I just go back here again, and let's say these two are the videos that I just split into two. Now if I just select these two and then tap on send, tap on done, let's assume these are the same video but they are cut into two different parts. Now if I tap on send and tap on share, it should start uploading. And that is how you add two different multiple videos to Instagram story. Now if I had to recommend you guys an app to cut the video into two parts, the first would be CapCut. It's a really easy tool. You can use CapCut. You can upload a video here. You can start a project, simply cut a video into two parts. Let me show you how you can do that using a really simple video. So I'll just show you using this video. Just select the video, go to the middle part, tap on split. You can delete the first part and just download this part, and then do this process again and download the second part and then upload it like we did before. And that is how you add multiple videos to Instagram stories. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.